Semantic tags in HTML are elements that convey meaning about the structure and content of a web page to both browsers and developers. They provide a way to describe the type of content contained within an HTML element, making the document's structure more understandable, machine-readable, and accessible. Semantic tags help search engines, assistive technologies, such as screen readers, and developers better interpret and style web content. Here are some common semantic HTML5 tags and their meanings. 1. Header represents the introductory content at the beginning of a section or page, typically containing a site logo, site title, or navigation menus. 2. Nav represents a section of navigation links, typically used for site navigation menus. 3. Main represents the main content of a document or section. There should be only one main element per page. 4. Article represents a self-contained composition in a document, such as a blog post, news article, or forum post. 5. Section represents a generic section of content within a document, often used to group related content together. 6. Aside represents content that is tangentially related to the content around it, such as sidebars, pull quotes, or advertising. 7. Footer represents the footer of a section or document, typically containing copyright information, contact details, or related links. 8. Figure and fig caption, used together to represent images, illustrations, diagrams, or other media content, with the fig caption providing a caption or description for the content. 9. Time represents a specific date and/or time, providing machine-readable data for events or timestamps. 10. Mark represents text that has been highlighted or marked for reference or emphasis. 11. Details and summary, used together to create collapsible content sections that can be expanded or collapsed by the user, with the summary providing a label or heading for the details section. 12. Abbar and acronym, used to define abbreviations and acronyms, with optional title attributes to provide explanations. Using semantic tags not only enhances the structure and organization of your HTML but also contributes to better SEO, search engine optimization, and accessibility. Additionally, they make it easier for developers to understand the purpose and role of each element within the document. HTML5 introduced many of these semantic elements to improve the clarity and semantics of web documents. Now start coding.